Hi everyone, we're going to take a look at a community today that I have a listing in. It's called Park San Rafael. It's on the north side of Palm Springs. The ranch style homes, it's a gated community. It's also got a community pool, but many of the homes have their own individual pool. Actually, the majority of them do. And it also has a grass park, green space. So it's very nice, and it's also a great possibility if you're looking for a California ranch style home. And they're 3 or 4 bedroom homes with a 2-car garage. So today we're going to take a look at one that I have on the market, and I hope you enjoy looking at this. And if you have any questions, please email me, text me. I look forward to hearing from you.
Please subscribe. I look forward to seeing you on the next video.